Oh me, oh my. Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto video. You know, it isn't really that often that we talk about good things. Usually we're just shitting on companies or, you know, we're talking about terrible things that happen in crypto. But today, we have something exciting. Well, at least I think it's exciting. Ledger came out with a pretty big update. They're talking about implementing their own desktop client and their own app and their own web application. So if you don't know what Ledger is a hardware wallet, a lot like Trezor. If you know what Trezor is, then you know what Ledger is. Basically, the best way to secure your crypto coins is through a hardware wallet. So you have to like kind of log in, and then you can access your coin through the application and through the hardware wallet. So if you've never used or seen anything that Ledger uses, their application's pretty bad. They use you have to install multiple Chrome extensions. So there's like a Bitcoin and a Litecoin one. Then there's one for Dash, and then there's one for Ethereum. But to be fair, you can use My Ether wallet. You don't have to use the Ethereum application. I mean, they all look bad. It's kind of weird to use. You have to use it in Chrome, and then it opens up this application. So everything was tied to Chrome, and it just looked bad, and it felt bad. And a little while ago, Ledger had that whole problem with people getting their coins stolen from the Ethereum application. There was that like extra button that was added if you had some certain kind of malware, so that was no good. But they're finally coming out with some what looks to be very professional looking software. And so they said that they're going to try to add support for 20 more coins and a whole bunch of more later. I'm sorry guys, I just woke up. I ate a lot of food and then I fell asleep. They're trying to get more support with coins. I know that they've been working on Monero for a long time. Actually, an update came out, I believe, a couple days ago. It said they're almost in the testing phase or something like that. So, but yeah guys, that's about it. It's pretty exciting. If you don't have a hardware wallet, I highly recommend, and everyone will recommend that you do so. It's the most secure way to keep your coins, especially if you have a lot or you plan on investing a lot. You know, what is 60 bucks if you have a couple thousand in crypto? So, thanks guys for watching, and have a good day. What the fuck am I talking about today? We're talking about, fine, whatever, shut up. Shit even looks good on mobile though.